Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift every day in December in the lead up to Christmas. Either from Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their videos today too, as they'll be opening something and it could be from me. Links are in the description. Hi there, today is the 5th day in our Advent collaboration. So let's see what surprise gift I'll be opening today. Here are my box of goodies, my bowl of goodies. Let's see, go. Okay, this one is from Tammy. You can tell by the wrapping paper. This is a rattly box. Let's see. These are exciting. Wow. Oh, very cool. Okay, I like all the little boxes that you've been putting things in as well, Tammy. This is fantastic. Let's see. Ooh, inside. Oh, excellent. We have, they're called Wonder Clips or Magic Clips. They are sewing clips and are incredibly handy. I have broken a few of mine in the past, so it's great to have some more. Thank you so much, Tammy. And we have, oh, a lovely little hair clip blank there. Very nice. And, oh, we can maybe put something onto it. Oh, we have a little purse. We've got some very cute pin badges and a little eraser too. So these are gifts for me today. This is lovely. Oh, I love that tiny eraser. In fact, I wonder if I could maybe put that in a doll room when I get round to making them. We have got a peace symbol and a smiley face. So you, Tammy. It's so cute. And this little, it's a mini fashions. Oh, excellent. Thank you. I have seen a lot of these mini fashion ball openings. I've seen you've had quite a few, and yeah, it's I'm happy to take any doubles. So here we have a lovely little purse from the mini fashions ball. Oh, that's super. Oh, they're excellent. Thank you so much, Tammy. That is really lovely. Some really useful little things in there as well. And as I say, I'll definitely be using these little containers. Well, thank you so much, Tammy, for this, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment and let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift. Take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.